Hi, in this video, I will explain to you in details how to become a member of Yollando.com and how to use our services. If you're ready, let's start. After clicking the register button at Yollando.com homepage and filling in the requested information, your Yollando membership is created. You can now start using your Yollando address in Turkey. By clicking My Account, you can enter your user dashboard where you can manage your packages. From the My Packages section, you can see all your packages that are in the warehouse or have been shipped before. By clicking the menu tab on the upper right corner and My Profile, you can find the address settings. Here, you can see your own invoice and delivery addresses. You can click Add Address and start to fill the requested informations. The delivery address is your own home or office address where you want your packages to be shipped. So enter it completely and click Save. Now we can move on to the Package Settings section. In this setting, you can define your auto rescale settings. With this service, each incoming package will be automatically reduced where possible by the Yollando team. Before we place our first order, I would like to talk about how Yollando works. First of all, you can't buy anything on your Yollando dashboard. Yollando offers a shipping address in Turkey that you can use to have your purchases delivered from Turkish online stores. After your order is placed at an online store, your package will arrive at your Yollando address. And the next step for you is to choose a shipping company and let your package delivered to your home or to any other address worldwide. Now let's create our order. You can view the best and most popular shipping sites in Turkey from the shopping sites list on Yollando.com, or you can shop from any other website which is located in Turkey. For now, as an example, let's go to a shopping site. After adding products to the basket, you will come to the address part. Let me show you how to add the Yollando address. Click to My Yollando Address at your Yollando dashboard. In the address section, you can now add all needed information for your Yollando address. Copy and paste your full address and make sure that your Yollando number is not missed. You can now make the payment to complete the order. After that, just wait until the package arrives at your Yollando address. Some e-commerce sites do not accept payments with foreign credit cards, while others show you much higher prices when you visit their site from outside of Turkey. You can avoid these problems by using the Buy For Me service. Now, let's look at how we create a Buy For Me request. You need to always have the link to the product. You can paste the link in the Buy For Me section. You need then to write the order details, color, size, etc. Then, press the Add button. You need to repeat this process for every product you want, and then approve your requests. You can make your payment after your Buy For Me requests are reviewed and approved by the Yollando team. It's that simple. Would you like to see how the process goes from the moment your packages reach Yollando? It usually takes 1 to 3 business days for packages to reach Yollando.com within Turkey. When packages arrive, you will be notified via an email. Now, let's see how a package looks in your inbox. When you first open your customer panel, you will see the packages that have reached Yollando in the My Packages section. When you click on the package ID, you can see the product dimensions and weight, content, and all the sender's name. Let's have a look at our repackaging, shipping, and other services. Repackaging aims to combine one or more packages into a single smaller package. You can select the packages you want to repack from My Packages section. Hover over the Action button and press the Repackaging button. In the pop-up that opens, you will see the total weight of your packages. After reading and accepting the conditions, your repackaging request will be created. After the Yollando team finishes the repackaging, you will see that a new package ID starting with RP has been created. All of the products in your request will be in this package. By using the repackaging service, your shipping costs will be reduced. You can see the package on your panel that Yollando have repackaged and reduced the shipping costs for. Select your package and click the Continue button. There you can select the delivery address and click Continue. Please check it and make sure it's correct. Then you can choose the shipping company. Check the delivery duration and fees and click on Payment. Choose a payment method and finish the process. Now the shipping process starts. To track the status of your package, you go to Sent Packages from My Packages section and click the Show button. You can view the package status by clicking the tracking number. Now you can start shopping in Turkey with your Yollando address.